Hello, children. Welcome to your maths lecture. So, yesterday we were on the topic that is counting money, right? So today we are going to learn how to exchange money. That is exchanging money. Okay. So you all know the coins, right? Still, we will just revise it once. So you can see the coins used in India. That is 1 rupee, 2 rupees, that is 1 rupee, 2 rupees, then 5 rupees, 10 rupees coin. Okay, and now the notes used in India. So that is 10 rupees, 20 rupees, then it's 50 rupees, then 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees, and last, the biggest digit note, that is 2000 rupees. So children, these are the notes and coins used in India. Okay, so now we will learn uh, exchanging money. So children, we can exchange money in different ways using different notes and coins. So rupees 50 can be exchanged in the following ways. If you want to exchange rupees 50, so you can use 10 coins of 10 rupees. Sorry, so that you can use 5 coins of 10. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 coins, 5 coins of 10. Okay, so it is 10 rupees. So it is the coin of 10. So 10, so it is 1, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it makes 50. So it is 50. Why 50? Because here there are 5 coins of 10, right? So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 50. Okay. So if you want to exchange using the notes, then you can exchange, like you can take two notes of 20 rupees, right? And then you can take one note of rupees 10. So if you see here, 20 plus 20 plus 10, so again it's 50, right? So you can exchange by using coins also and by using notes also, and then again you can exchange by using notes and coins both. So you can use both also. So here you can say it is used one note of 20, then one note of 10, two coins of 5, then 4 coins of 2, and 2 coins of 1. So now you add it together, then you will get 50. 20, 20 plus 10, that is 30. Then 2 coins of 5, so that is again 5 plus 5, 10. So 30 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40. Now again 1, 2, 3, and 4 coins of 2, so that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 8, right? So 30 plus 10 plus 8, 30 plus 10, 40, right? 40 plus 8, that is 48, 48. And then 2 coins of 1, so that is 1 plus 1, 2. So it will be 48 plus 2 is again 50. So we can exchange by using only coins, then by using only notes, and by using notes and coins both. Okay, so like this you have to exchange money. So children, we can exchange money in different ways, different ways using different notes and coins. Okay, so now, did you know in India people were using paise as well, but that is before. Paise were available in the form of coins only. The relation between rupees and paise is 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So children, 1 rupee equals to 100 paise, right? So every country has its own currency. So now let us see what do the other countries use. America, it is US dollar. Then comes UK. So UK, it is pound sterling. And in Germany it is euro. Okay. So these are the different currencies which are used by different countries. Now we will come towards the exercise 11.1 question 2. So you did question 1 yesterday, okay? So we have already done that. And today we will do question 2. In this what you have to do is you have to draw different ways of exchanging rupees 70. So we have already learned how to exchange rupees 50 we saw, right? Same ways you have to exchange 70. So you can exchange with the help of coins or with the help of notes or with the help of notes and coins both. So I can show you two. Okay, so you can take 10, so you can take 7 coins of 10. Okay, you can take 7 coins of 10. So you have to draw here in circle, like you can draw 7 coins here. Okay, 7 coins of 10. Okay, 7 coins of 10 rupee each. So it will be 70, right? Or also you can write here that also you can write, instead you can write 7 coins of 10 rupees. Okay, so you can write that also here. But it is written draw, so it will be better if you draw. Okay, and if you don't get space, so you can draw it in small also. Okay, then you can exchange 70 in the notes, like you can take one 50 rupees note. Okay, you can take one 50 rupees note and other note you can take off, tell me, 50. So now how much is left to make it 70? 20. Okay, you can make so you can make other note of 20. So it will be 50 plus 20, that will be 70. Okay, so like this you can exchange 70 rupees. Same ways here you have to do it by yourself. So here you can add coins and notes also, only notes or only coins also. Okay, but you have to try doing it all different ways. Okay, because here we have done only coins and here we have done only notes. Okay, so here you can do coins and notes both. Okay, so like this we have to complete this, and tomorrow we will practice it more also. So that's all children. So please do your work, and then if you can't understand then you can let me know. Okay, so that's all for today's maths lecture.